scale. This one is going to start with the right hand, fourth finger, of course, because the rule is the fourth finger of the right hand always goes on B flat when we have a B flat. So let's begin with that. Okay, fourth finger, right hand. Now we're going to cross over right away with the thumb and play 1, 2, 3. And E flat is our only other black key. Since we already used our fourth finger, we're not going to put it down again, and we'll cross over with the thumb, and then 2, 3, 4 again. That's of course the same, and then we'll cross over again. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. And backwards, 3, 2, 1. Cross over with the third finger, and then fourth finger, and then third finger, and finish with the fourth finger, even if it's a little tedious to reach over so far, and we're not going to go on any further. It's just a good habit. So let's try that slowly and smoothly. 1, 2, ready, go. Alright, simple enough, relatively simple anyway. Now let's move on to the left hand, which will follow the same rule as it did for the previous black key scale, which is it will start with the third finger, play 3, 2, 1, and then cross over with the fourth finger. Let's take that slowly. Here we go with the third finger, 3, 2, 1, and then 4. And that's the last black key. 3, 2, 1, and then 3 again. 2, 1, then 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we can cross over with the third finger. And backwards, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's try that smoothly and slowly. Ready, set, go. 4. We're going to cross over with the third finger next. Then 4. We're going to stop here and turn around. This one is nice because all the crossings happen right where the black keys are. It's very convenient. Let's try that with both hands, slowly and smoothly. 1, 2, ready, go. Now let's do the basic harmonies that we will need for simple songs in the key of B flat. The one chord, the B flat chord, of course, we'll use the first, third, and fifth notes of the scale. And we'll need that for both hands. flat major chord. We're going to stay anchored on B flat, and the top two notes will scoot up to the next notes of the scale, which are E flat and G. And this is E flat major. Okay, and then back to the B flat chord. And then the F7 chord, we're going to scoot the B flat down to an A and scoot the D back up to the E flat. And then back to the B flat chord. Okay, let's do those slowly and smoothly. Ready, set, go. And that's the B flat scale and chords for the B flat scale. Any questions about this, go ahead and put them in the comments. Otherwise, the next one will be coming out literally on the same day, as I haven't done these in a while. And then there will be some more scale madness to come. Have a nice day.